How to turn on blue tick red receipts on WhatsApp. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to enable the blue tick red receipts, you can follow up the steps. So open up your WhatsApp onto your device first, and once you open up your WhatsApp, you should be finding chat on your home screen. So from here, at the top right corner, you can tap on the three dots and a menu appears. So go over to settings first, and from settings you can head over to the option that says privacy right below the account. Tap on it. Once you do that, you should be finding an option that says read receipts or read receipts right under the status. So what happens is you need to go ahead and turn this option on, and that will allow you to see app and be seen when messages are read. So you will be seeing two blue check marks when you send a message to someone. For example, like this, right here I've sent some messages and right beside it there are two blue check marks. So that is how you basically turn on the blue tick red receipts on WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.